I just opened the hatch to the chicken coop, and here they come. The third one already out. Come on, girls. Drip, 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 drip. Drip, 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 drip. Good morning. Ooh, flying. They were ready to come out this morning. Drip, 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 drip. Come on, girls. There's the fourth one. She's figuring it out. Five. Drip, drip, drip. Good morning. And there's Hagen. She's ready to herd. There she comes. Maybe. Come on, girl. Drip, 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 drip. There she is. Hello. Oh, and there's 6. And there's Goldie, the only one with a name. So if you guys can think of 4 or 5 more names, let me know. The life of city chickens. And their dogs. There's Hagen, and back there's Nala. And I assure you that the chickens are safe from the dogs. And here in a little bit, I will have a video for their afternoon snack. In the meantime, enjoy, and we'll be back soon. God bless. Good morning. It is a beautiful sunrise. Have a great day.